Okay, so review number 1 is the next one. To determine something's a table is a function or not, we want to go ahead and see we've got consecutive values happening on the x's. So they're all increasing by 1. So we need to see then if it's increasing by the same rate on the y's. 4 to 1, that's going down 3. 1 to 0, going down 1. 0 to 1, going up 1. So because of that, this is going to say here then it's not a linear function. Needs to be consistent on both sides. All right, review number 2. Nelson grows tomatoes and sells them at a nearby at a farmer's roadside stand. He sells them for $2.50 each, and the farmer charges him $15 a day. Write a linear function in factor form and general form that represents the amount of money Nelson will make from selling X tomatoes. All right, so the way that we're making money, I'll write number 2 right up above here. The way that we're making money is, well, by selling tomatoes. Now, in this case, then, M is going to represent our money. And to make that money, we're selling tomatoes at $2.50 a pop, where X is going to represent our number of tomatoes sold. Now, at that $2.50 a pop, that would be great, but because of this farmer here charging us $15 to use the stand, we are losing $15 each day. So $2.50 times X minus that 15. That is our equation in standard form, or I should say general form. Factored form I'm not as concerned about. We will talk more about that as we go through, but this is what the factored form does look like, okay? All right, and the other one I want you to do is review number 5. The cost to install X number of central air conditioning units for a company is given by that function. Use the function to determine the cost to install 45 air conditioners. So this one's just a calculator problem. We're going to plug in X as 45 into our function and then go to our calculator and just do arithmetic, your order of operations. So I'm going to punch into my calculator 4,000 times 45 plus 1,300. Now, in that answer, I get 181,300. So 181,300. Then divide that by 3. And then I get 60,433.3. They don't tell me how to round, so let's just go ahead with 1 decimal right there. That's going to be the cost to install air conditioners. $60,000, a little over $60,000.